Hello, I'm Pipidy. Let's find out what a virus is. Last week I felt poorly. Sniffly nose, tickly throat. Something far too small to see did all that. How? Let's take a look. My microscope makes tiny things look enormous. Hold on tight. Whoa! Everything's getting bigger. Or maybe we're getting smaller. Welcome to the world inside you. Down here, there are bacteria and tiny living creatures. But this one is a virus. A virus is beautifully simple. A code on the outside, instructions curled up inside. That's all. Is it even alive? Scientists still argue. Viruses come in all shapes and sizes. Here's the clever bit. A virus finds a cell whose doorway fits and slips its instructions inside. Your cells are busy little factories, but now the factory reads the virus's instructions instead of its own. So it builds virus parts. They snap together into new viruses. Off they go to find more cells. That tired cell is why you feel poorly. But your body is already fighting back. Wash your hands, cough into your elbow, like this. Then far fewer viruses reach anyone at all. So, tiny, simple, and sneaky. Look after yourself. See you next time.